Hello everyone. I am very excited today. As you all know me, I am Chetan Jain, India's leading expert on shrink sleeves. And a big reason of this expertise has come from meeting a lot of my customers, a lot of packaging professionals, a lot of technical people from the packaging background. This has really helped me in getting this knowledge which I keep on sharing with you. And I want to gift this knowledge to all of you. Today I want to announce the launch of my fourth book. Yes, my fourth book is getting launched at Hotel Lalit at the Respack 2024 event on 13th and 14th of June, just next month. My fourth book is a gist of all the knowledge that I have gathered from the leading packaging professionals of the world. Yes, the title of my book is Top 20 Things I Learned from World's Top Packaging Professionals. And I want to gift this book to all of you. Please come to Respack 2024 at Hotel Lalit. You will find me, you will find my team, and I will be launching my book there, and I want to gift my book to all of you. And I look forward to meet you all, and thank you so much, and I'm very excited. I hope you can all share this excitement with me.